What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Apologies if you can hear the blow dryer outside blowing the leaves. Blow dryer. He's just doing his job. I finally moved into my own place, so I'm still getting it sorted. Don't have a proper setup yet for the videos, but we'll get there. So we're sitting at 0.01799. I do think there's a good chance that Gala is going to put in a new bear market low. Just looking at Bitcoin, but we'll get into that. So we're sitting at 0.01799, down 0.535 on the day. Market cap 640 million, 24 volume 76 million. So if we hop into the price, we have this rising wedge, which is already broke down. The technical target is the bottom of the wedge, which is all the way at 0.01383. Now, if we quickly look at Bitcoin, historically, after the election, there is a pullback. I can show you guys right here. Historically, after the election, we do see a pullback, a little bit of a dump before an absolutely historic bull run. So that's what we can expect for our friend Gala Games and the entire market. I do think Bitcoin is going to put in an ABC correction, bring you down in between about 66K to about 62K. And that may cause Gala to put in a lower low. Either that or all of this is a wave one to the upside, wave one right up here, and then you're going through an ABC correction, or it could also be right here with a truncation, and then you're pulling back in a wave two where you wouldn't break that low before continuation. Either way, I do think we could see a little bit of a bounce retest come lower before we see that large pushback to the upside. So we'll have to be patient. That's how it is in crypto. If you want to become wealthy, you need to be very patient and allow for pullbacks to play out, and before we see the absolutely face melting price action. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world. This is where I do my investing, my trading, including North America, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures. You get 10% back when you sign up through my link on every single one of your trades on your fees. And of course, my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis, as well as my trade signals, crypto news, all kinds of goodies, almost 3,000 members. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.